What would your idea of a perfect day be if it was your last day on Earth?
What?
You know, last day on Earth. What would your idea be of the perfect day?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. You know. Think about it. Last day, last rites. What would your idea be of the perfect day?
Okay, I'll play along.
Okay.
I would make love to my beautiful wife.
Beautiful. That's so sweet. What else?
I would eat French toast and eggs.
Mm,
All my favorite foods.
that sounds really good.
I would play with my kid. And I would dance butt naked in the middle of my living room floor with the windows wide open.
What? Why would you dance with the windows open? That's so silly.